Hi, this is Aaron with Home Standards. Today I was at a older house looking at a fuse electrical panel. When I went to open the panel, some of the fuse blocks at the bottom moved and kind of slightly jarred or adjusted when I opened it. I noticed at the panel cover at the bottom there had been a spot where it had arced. So the panel cover either maybe got bumped into, or when it was put back on, slightly contacted this bottom left fuse and caused some arcing there. I also do have two 220 breakers that I've installed in a fuse panel, which is not common. There's one fuse at this middle block right here that is oversized, and the aluminum wiring at the top is not covered with antioxidant paste. So these are things that I let the buyer know about so they can have an electrician review. Thank you.